Ebusia over the weekend na news be trend pa efa eye madam bia ndin ede Sylvia Baah ho mami oye the airport services manager ede ma eye Emirates Airlines na circulate o media na so den se mami no ya kidnapping no.
Now no mo ana munim no. This is the lady. Obana o ohwe minifa so a de o all the way at the end no ono na kidnapping no. Now it has come out clearly say national security omne NIB ena den NSB omo ena eka omutribo mu a omo koche maami wei na utie de ekoso senia maami wei omo che no etete no ede ne free nkran be 2-hour drive ekata nani sebio ede ne 2 seat ase ede etuo si ne tiri so no ko share dan bim a maami na owo asthma ontumi home a nkofo eba no mabie pono na omudi nkomo se yembo ne tirim ntuntwene anase
na ensem ne betu the police ede statements by before right after the kidnap any say omo rescue ni nyina omo de release by Sylvia Kelvin Taylor aba or the details of the course so ma many kidnap moves ensem nyina aba wa bra the Herald newspaper ebe Troy say NIB any national security and the kidnap room. Aha, let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I repeat my video, I'm sure say over subscribe the area mama no click on notification bell and say there. Any upload there about sabit me aka na wa share for frabishe na wa like so there mama. Don't forget say any comment be a one beja e wo comment section ho ere mama. Eye mami bi a che say ono and eye services manager edema Emirates Airlines mami ni din ede madam Sylvia Patience Baah na samami enye nkofo enim no ene report magada chere say oye very disciplined when it comes to the juma waye on feni agokra na over the weekend na trendy e wo media ne so den say mami obi man nkofo bi kidnapping e wo no ani fie enim a be ya yem hihie ye because na nkofo wonder say e dey na mami akoye obi ana say den ko ana esi a yetimi kidnapping mami say ye ne anche ani who say the Ghana Police Service release press release omo tre say omo investigate matter no ahwehwe baby property amame ne wo ene omo the numbers nyina to ho say in case you have any information concerning mame no ene the kidnap na asema wetimi reach out to the number inti ye nyina ye wo ho ye nka bi nhwema ye gusu ebobo ho and another press release from the Ghana Police Service esa buy and then this time around they were saying so wetimi rescue mame no and then the woman was okay omo de no fie ama IGP of police Dampare Dr. Dampare Kra etimi reach out to the woman into see omo de medical practitioners akọ say omuko cheki mame nti mame ni okay a wo ni fie a chese ojinani yenka bi nhemu ye wo ho embre adai ana the Herald newspaper ede beto when no show screen is obon say da ho say national security and NIB operatives kidnapped Emirates manager and asemo mo de beto wono nti ebusa say ede ba asemo na nkofo yi tro ne sanadam before then no time na Ghana police ede beto go so wetimi rescue mame na Ghana foni bi wonder how they got to rescue the woman without say omochi suspects no nkofo bisa say eba ne saying it's the Herald ede sa write up way so eba wo mu newspaper ni nkofo say ede na ekosba ye nim bibia sia ye nim ana nti na fe reports ene media ne so de nsema started circulate say oh maame no ene lady bia chese o food joint a friend no the allergist wife wachi and it's allergist wife no sa maame no oni maame Sylvia kidnapping nya ntawanta wakakra airport because now onka body flight e akọ Dubai and then according to reports no na NI before na say national security penifoni become one ka also mni lady no and a cop about this flight no but no my late in sisa mama Sylvia ya onfa na dwuma ni agwe e ka say saade a any omo because my late bia na flight ni nko nya omo na ebe ye twiba mentwe kasa kakra and it will try ne Saturday and I said Friday rather ana mami ya kidnapping no nti na zenko for linke mama ne kidnap no to asem no na Kelvin Taylor woni menzem nyina the details or the vivid details of how the kidnap was arranged and they say taking place in the Aba.
The kidnapping was done by the national security. These are the people behind the kidnapping. This guy, he is called Atobra, and this Atobra is the deputy director in charge of operations at BNI, and I say NIB. This is the guy, he was involved in this crime. Now, the next person who led the operation is this guy called Benjamin Ansa. Benjamin Ansa no Signal Bureau, the National Signal Bureau, and the director of operations. We need a tuo no ko. We muna ena a tuo no mo. We muna ayam ko botuo no ewo wurem. This guy Benjamin Ansa. I know his kid brother in the United States here. Very quiet guy. Very, very quiet guy. He has a kid brother. He also went to Presec. This guy is my junior. Well, a small boy. This guy, me we school by 4 years and we school. But when I'm gonna kwasiafo oye fiero chen bibia. This lady is the one that started the whole chaos. I have a whole expose on this lady from tomorrow. I'm going to let you know the why how people like this in Ghana, when they get close to people with a little bit of power, what they do. From Ochina, I'm going to do a full expose on this lady, and I'll show you the connections. When somebody tells you, say, this is not the first time I see. Now, this guy too was part of the people who kidnapped Sylvia. This man, his name is Kobna Edubwahin. This is the guy one Rashida no. They are the people a lot of traveling together. These two people. Sanko for me anyway, they do a lot of traveling together. A lot. First class, 10,000, 20,000, first class, Dubai, London. In a week, they do a lot. These two people. And this guy, Kobna Edu Buahin, a director general, National Signal Bureau. Benjamin Ansa works beneath him. Into Ono, we are now a smart Benjamin Ansamo, and Benjamin them do the killings. No, and then they end up make kidnapping or Bawi. Now, this is what happened. These people were all getting on the flight to another country. To airport, no. And procedure in flight, and I say, when flight is about to take off, see a beer desk, na so be a check in. At a point in time, no, close the desk, no. The reason why they close the desk, say obia bana say more time say plane be to 1:30. Close the desk, no 1 o'clock. Now 30 minutes na no, it's all paperwork. You can say it's all paperwork, sir. Ye juma airline any pilots no plane any crew ni nyina no, they have to make sure they get their paperwork right. Now plane na able to know I will see when nipa dodo a ewom nipa bia oti plane seat number oteso se obi amba I will say yema omo a country na a receive plane no ehu say seat number 7, seat number 8, seat number 12 no obi anteso. Kelvin Taylor amba, John Kuma, may he so rest in peace, wamba. Say Napo, may he so rest in peace in the future. Also amba. Inti sanko for we nyina no amba. Inti and your friends said these are the paperwork they do. Inti sako desk na sia tuma. And inti na almost sama another window where they call people. Inti samu babe close the door no finally cry. They give themselves another best 30 minutes. That is when they start to call names. Oh, Frank Ano. Oh, Emmanuel Boating. Last call, James Quating. They do that because there are so many things that can delay people. In terms of a month for the opportunity, say Obi Oha on check a bag, Obi Oha only luggage, he can quickly come through and get the flight. Sanyo manina, sanyo man getting logistics, not still, you don't show up. What they officially do is they close everybody entering and everyone exiting. At that point, no passenger can exit. If you're a passenger and you exit the plane, you are not coming back on that plane. If you are a passenger, you are not actually coming in. They see what airport want to say. These people were all traveling together. Munim say Rashida Sani almost every 2 weeks bia oni kobna edubuahin they travel. They go to Dubai a lot. Majority of them first class no mutena. The two of them, they've been traveling together. Omo tu kwan bom, they do things together. Into omo de omo nanti ache. Eye Rashida Sani oni de kobna edubuahin. The obotai no ene maame no. Now this is what happened. Sankofo we nyina no were not at the airport. Almost some national security for, so they decide when to go to the airport. This woman got to the airport first. Odru Honona Sylvia catch and say, "You dear, you are here on time. Let us check you in. Time in you be close the door no." This lady told yes Sylvia say she is going or flying with national security couples. Enti enya dia also omutu plane no on gina hone for plane no in national security for nemra. And the Sylvia lady was like, you know something? That is not how it works. In fact, so be a national security to Ghana, that person does not own a flight or own an airline. The airline, they have their protocols, they have their rules, they also do what? They also, is that it? Yes, Inti. The whole thing shows to say, first class, you know. Sorry, better than first class. In fact, I wanted to show you, my team is saying I should show you a picture. So the woman here from Rashida signing, this is her first class, $10,000. She normally flies a lot with a year Edubuahin. I'm going to get you pictures of her and Edubuahin on flights in and out of Ghana because we want to establish the fact to say she has a relationship with the national security for and internet nam we see her. This is the lady, Rashida Sani. So she has been flying. First class, $10,000 every single time. About 2 weeks, 1 week, they go to Dubai. They do that a lot. Now, on this occasion, this lady, I can't list. Let me show you the list again. Yeah. So, this time, Obeja National Security for Obeja Edubuahin, Obeja Benjamin Ansa, Obeja Eyedien Atobrano. She was insisting, say, Mom to play na national security for Baah. And what happened was there was an exchange. And now Okache lady didn't say on tie the all Canada, then she'll make sure say she's taken care of. Those were the words yet this Rashida Ekatre Edien Ekatre the Sylvia lady who was doing her job. Okache and say onya there one penny. Ama when you know the so-called national security for na mechanic one for flight now. And there's on my flight need to without them. She will take care of her. She will make sure say or bet you say to me channel. Now, Mr. Enough pictures. My team they are sending me too many pictures. So there was some confrontation at the airport. Emma phone calls bemu. Emma man for say they will show their Karachi powers. Technically, this lady told Sylvia say she will show her Karachi powers. Emma national security for be so by shege reasons. This lady went by her job. Sylvia ni in Juma. Onim say it happens.
We are yet to hear from the NIB, the National Security, on take on this matter. But for now, the Herald, Ediaba, any details are Kelvin Taylor and so Ediaba. Yedi any aid in seminary because kidnap matter a serious issue and a offense is baby a police investigations no ebekwa kodru many ADH any updates be ebefua babia me de beba besom na me kan say yebeto aba moma yembo ya sumdwe mu ba fise Ghana e ya sumdwe ma me din e de na ne kesanso makram